What up, guys? I am back at it again with another video today, and we're just going to do a get ready with me curl my straight hair video. And I'm going to start with a side part, how I usually do. And I'm just going to go section by section, make sure everything's combed out smoothly, and slow and steady wins the race, y'all. So as you can see here, I'm taking a small section and I'm going to take my 1/2-inch ion curling iron barrel made of titanium, and I'm just going to click and turn. Never start at the ends of your hair if you want to get a nice tight curl that lasts all day long. I'm telling you, y'all, the tighter the curl, the better, and you won't need to use a crap ton of hair products in order for it to last. So we're just gonna move on through, and I sped up the video so that you guys can see the process without having to sit here for 20 minutes like how I did. So once again, just taking another small section on the back of my head now, and I'm taking that same 1/2-inch curling barrel, titanium, curling it from the center of the section and then clicking the ends into the curling iron. Then I wait about maybe 5 to 8 seconds, let that sit, and then boom, you got another tight curl like Shirley Temple. And we're just gonna do that throughout the whole entire head, just starting in the middle, clicking and turning how I was taught in beauty school. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds and click out. Boom. So now with my curtain bangs, I usually kind of curl away from my face, so I kind of have that like Mariah Carey feathered out bang, side bang look, and I curl towards me away from my face, and when we comb that out, it's going to kind of feather into the hairstyle. So now we're 3/4 of the way done through my head, and I'm just continuing to start in the middle of the section, curling away from my face and clicking out. And now we're going to add in the Got to Be Glued extra hold hairspray to kind of seal that in, what I've worked on. And we're gonna wait about 1 to 2 minutes and just spray that throughout the whole head so that the curls don't drop very easily. Then I'm gonna take my wide tooth comb that out, and bam! We've got some nice tight beach wave curls all throughout the head. We've got volume, and this is all natural, baby. No extensions, all me. So now we're doing the last finishes and touches, and I'm going to add in my edge control. I'm doing a medium to strong hold edge control, and I usually just kind of put that on my hand, and I use the product as I work through each side of my head, and I kind of swoop in and do my little slick or whatever. And I also have a video if you guys are one of my OGs on how to do edges, but most y'all know how to do edges. It's 2024, come on. And now this wraps up my get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I did. I kind of shake everything out and bam, we've got that volume, we've got the beach wave curl, and I'm gonna do a quick slow-mo for y'all so you can see that body. Yes, finished product.